sa ikatlong linggo sa ating pakigbisog against a formidable enemy. Sa ikatlong linggo sa ating pakigbisog against a formidable enemy. As always, I give my sincerest gratitude to all those who are fighting in the front lines, our doctors, nurses, allied health professionals, police, soldiers, civil servants, and everyone performing essential services in the private sector. I assure you that your efforts will be rewarded. Your heroism will not be forgotten. Saludo kami sa inyo. Let me thank the LGUs who are doing their best to contain the spread of the virus in your localities. I see that you are employing innovative programs and initiatives to address the needs of your constituents. Yan ang dapat tulungan. Rest assured that the national government is behind you as we safeguard the welfare of our people in your communities. I issued an order to Executive Secretary Major Dia clearly laying down the responsibilities of each department in implementing the Bayanihan to Heal as One Act. I have given them their marching orders emphasizing the need for sufficient authority so that they do not have to go back to me and ask for clearance for each and every action they have to take.